So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and here is a quick update regarding the arcade price counter for the cohort 2 2025. The price counter will be closing today. So in case you haven't claimed the prizes yet, you are eligible for the swags. Hurry up and claim the swags. And if you don't know how to claim the swags, I have attached the playlist with the description for which tier you have to claim, for novice to trooper and from ranger to legend tier. Make sure to watch the video if you are facing issue. It's simple process. You have to just mention your address, details, size, etc. Remember, after 31st, even if you miss the email and you are unable to claim the swags, then it's your responsibility because we have already updated you multiple times that claim your swags, but still most of you have ignored the facts. Okay, so in case you want to claim the swags, you can just refer to the video. Okay, and by chance if you want to update the t-shirt size also, you can just mail them also, or you can just get it updated via dashboard also for the white square page. I've just attached the video in the description. Make sure to watch it and claim it as soon as possible, because after 31st, even if you try multiple times, you won't be able to claim the swags. And one more important information, these swags are the for cohort 2 2025 participants, which ended earlier in December. Okay. For January participants, price counter will be opening in June. You have time till June to earn more points. And one more important thing, just by earning the January games, you are not getting the swags. You have to continue and earn some points. Just stay tuned throughout the channel. You'll be getting all important updates, how you'll be getting the swags for the upcoming cohort. And if you don't know how to participate in this event also, I have attached the detailed video guide. Make sure to watch it and just follow it. So thank you. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.